Riri mihango ya gwetha miri makiria nathie na mbere Kware-ini ya MUKURU kwa NJENGA mwena wa Embakasi guku Nairobi kuria ginyanagia na riu miri 8 ya airitu ihithuritio itinangitio na igaikio makunia-ini. Munene wa borithi wa IHINDA KANJA ni athamitie maabithaa othe ya borithi aria mararutaga wira CECENI-INI ya Kware iria ri hakuhi na haria miri iyo irahithuririo. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro KANJA ugite itua ria kumathamia rikinyaneirio niguo gutigirira uthuthuria KIHINYIO ni watabanio hatari mihinga kana kuhithirira undu ona umwe.
A fair and biased investigation. I have moved the officers from Kware police station. In these difficult times, we stand with the community and remain committed to uncovering the truth and bringing those responsible to justice. Let us remember that these are lives lost and they have families and loved ones. We therefore appeal to members of the public to avoid any speculation and instead give room to investigations.
Niongereire kuga ginyanagia na riu miri 8 igitwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya CT guku Nairobi yetirire gwikwo uthuthuria na aria othe mekunyitikana na mahitia maikuo ciao ni megutacukirio makinya maruru ma kiwatho.
The Nairobi National Home, funeral home, that is formerly the city mortuary, is currently preserving the 8 bodies that were recovered. The scene is still active and the investigations are ongoing. Preliminary investigations reveal that all recovered bodies were female, which were severely dismembered in different states of decomposition and left in sacks.
KANJA uria kumagaritio ni munene wa borithi cia uthuthuria Mohamed Amin na nini yake Eliud na James Kamau gatagati-ini ka maabithaa anene ya borithi riu ni uritie muingi wa bururi ugie na gukiriria na thiini wa thiku 21 ciukite borithi ni megukorwo marigicurite kiriga gia ikuo ici.
The entire National Police Service and I understand the deep concern and distress the tragedy brings to the families, residents of Kware and fellow Kenyans. The police service and I would like to assure the public that we are committed to conducting transparent, thorough and swift investigations.
KANJA ni uritie mundu o wothe ungikorwo na riboti cingiteithiriria uthuthuria uria urathie na mbere aure riboti CECENI-INI o yothe ya borithi. Kuhithukio kwa miri iyo ni gucungirire gukirirwo kwa ruhonge rwa borithi na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na njira nene. Riu mutongoria wa bururi akihamurithia ruhonge rwa DCI rwike mituki gwethana na aria matabanirie ngero ici.